Well, let's focus in on Nazara Tech, and that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala backed mobile gaming company had quite a stellar debut today on the bourses. In fact, it listed at a massive premium of nearly 81% at about 1990 rupees versus the issue price of about 1100 rupees. Now, just let's tell you a little bit about the journey of Nazara Tech, what the company started off with and where they've come today. So essentially, the founder of the company, Nitish Mittersain, had a love for gaming, and that was really sparked when he was in class 7. In college as well, that obsession continued. He really enjoyed computers, technology, anything to do with the internet. That was definitely a huge passion. He actually dropped his plan to do his MBA and he founded Nazara in the year 1999. So that was a pretty gutsy and courageous move. It was during the dot-com bubble of 1999 that he was building a lot of localized games online, no monetization. In 2001, the company was actually hit hard with a dot-com bust. He had borrowed close to 3 crore rupees from family and friends. And finally, it was in the year 2004, 2005 that the company realized that they had to do something different, and they started making cricket games, and that actually managed to get branded by none other than cricket icon Sachin Tendulkar. You had Westbridge Capital, which infused about $3 million in the company starting 2005. And by 2009, Nazara Tech had introduced a Netflix-like model for gaming. There was a catalog of games, and that really did well. The company really bootstrapped, and from 2009 to 2012, the team really focused on cash flow as well as profitability. They expanded their wings then to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Sri Lanka, Nepal, as well as Africa in the year 2012, and really pushed for esports and acquired a lot of gaming companies, a lot of companies that were focused on kids' education, etc. Today, the company counts Rakesh Jhunjhunwala as one of the key investors. They've posted revenues of about 250 crores nearly in FY20, and of course has made a stellar debut on Dalal Street. Remember, a lot of the market watchers were anticipating that there would be a very smart subscription being given to Nazara Tech because it is the first of its kind gaming company to get listed in the stock markets. It's a very compelling play due to the end-to-end offerings from esports to casual gaming to even fantasy gaming. And do remember, global gaming companies trade at nearly 3.3 times the one-year forward EV to sales with fairly low growth rates as compared to India. So the digital theme, remember, is working really well. So that's going to boost the company in the long term. Lots of strong growth estimates. There are talks of a possible buyout by a global tech-based gaming company, but the management has absolutely refuted that as of now. We spoke with Nitish Mittersain as well as Rakesh Mittersain, who's the chairman of the company. They say that gaming is a very strong opportunity in India. They see mobile gaming growing. They will also continue to grow their financials. The acquisition of Nodwin, Kidopia, all of that has been very successful for the company, and in fact they believe that gamified learning and esports are going to remain key focus areas for the company. They're going to be very selective on their acquisitions. There's not going to be any cash burn or any EBITDA loss business. They don't though plan to maximize their EBITDA margins as of now, but very gradually, and they will continue to grow with these marquee investors on board.